Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the unboxing of the December Horror Pack box. If you guys remember, I do these every single month, and basically Horror Pack is a subscription service where every month you get 4 brand new horror movies. Again, I want to apologize for uploading this so late. Like, it seems like every time I get a new Horror Pack package, my life just gets really busy and things just start like coming at me all at once, so I'm sorry for uploading this so late. I believe this is my 3rd or 4th unboxing with them, and every single month I am super happy and super pleased with everything that I got. And I told you guys that I was going to be updating you on how I liked the previous movies from the last box. Just to kind of keep you guys updated on what I liked and what I didn't like, things like that. So if you guys remember from my very first Horror Pack subscription service unboxing, I got the movie Species, and I did end up watching that finally. As you guys maybe remember, I was a little skeptical on watching that movie because I don't consider alien movies to be very scary. I just don't find it very interesting, I don't know. So it did take me a while to actually sit down and watch the movie, but I did end up watching it. I watched it all the way through, and the verdict is I absolutely loved that movie. It was fabulous. Hatchet, that one was okay. It wasn't one of my favorites, but Species definitely stuck out to me. A few of the movies that I have received I have seen before, so obviously I already like those, like The Lost Boys, Joyride. I loved The Houses That October Bell. I finally watched that all the way through. Loved it. Really kind of a creepy, realistic movie. So that was really good. And then the last box, we got a few movies, and I watched all of them except for one. And I know last time I called it Biter Feast, but it's called Bitter Feast. You guys told me that in the comments. I don't know where I got Biter from, but that's just what I called it. So I haven't watched that one yet, but I did watch Barbershop, and that one was really good. Very interesting. Very much like a thriller mystery type movie, so I really enjoyed that one. So basically, we are just going to be unboxing the movies that we have in here. I have my little box cutter ready to go. So we are just going to cut in here, and I will show you guys everything that I got. And they do have DVD boxes, or they have Blu-ray. I always get the Blu-ray just because I have way more DVDs than I do Blu-rays, so I just figured that was a good way to go. So again, it just comes in the same packaging, just the little bubble wrapped packaging, and inside we have 4 new movies in here. And just like always, I'm just going to pick them out at random and show you guys what we got. So you guys will have to excuse the like really weird lighting. Like, I have my blind shut because the sun keeps going in and out, so if you keep seeing like weird lighting on my face, I'm sorry. Anyway, I think they do sometimes give little hints or clues on their website, but I never really look at those because I like to be really surprised, so I have absolutely no idea what movies we're going to get. So we're just going to dive right in, and I'm going to grab the one on the very bottom. And this, ooh, oh my gosh. So the very first movie that we got is Devil's Due. Here's just what the packaging looks like. And I think I have seen this before, and I loved it. It's really creepy. It's been quite a few years since I've seen it, but oh my gosh. And this right here is literally like the type of horror movie that I like. I like anything that has anything to do with like possession or demons or anything like that, because to me personally, that is absolutely terrifying. So I love movies like this. I will read you a little bit on the back in case any of you have not seen this movie and you want to see it. So far we are off to a fabulous start because I love this movie. I think it was, I want to say it was on Netflix at one point. So just a few of the actors that are in it is Zach Gilford and Allison Miller. And on the back it says, a young couple's blessed event turns into their worst nightmare, one of the most terrifying horror films ever conceived. After a mysterious night on their honeymoon, Zach and Samantha McCall find themselves dealing with an earlier than planned pregnancy. While recording everything on video for posterity, Zach notices odd behavior in his wife, which they initially attribute to nerves, although it soon becomes evident that the disturbing changes to Samantha's body and mind have a much more sinister origin. So there's what the first movie is, Devil's Due. I love it. The next one, I'm going to take the one right off the top, and this one is the remake of the Poltergeist movie, and I will have to re-gift this to somebody because I do actually already own this one. But if you guys don't know, Poltergeist was a movie from like the 70s, 80s, I'm pretty sure, and it's basically about a family that has a house built over top of a burial ground, I'm pretty sure, and their daughter kind of like, I don't want to give like too much away, but like basically they get poltergeist into their home and their daughter gets taken into another dimension pretty much. Well, recently, a few years ago, they ended up remaking the movie, and the remake is fabulous. I think I actually like the remake way more than the original. I just feel like it's way more creepy, way more modern, and I don't usually say that because I usually like originals of horror movies better, but this remake in particular is really good. And if you guys remember from the original Poltergeist movies, the little girl has blonde hair, and the girl who plays, is it Carol Ann? Carol Ann, yeah, I'm pretty sure. In the remake, she has brown hair, but literally they look like they could be related. It's absolutely insane. So this movie is a 10 out of 10. Fabulous, fabulous. Like I said, I do already own it, but I'll have to give it to my sister because I don't think she has it. So on the back it says, from legendary filmmaker Sam Raimi, who also did Evil Dead and Spider-Man and all that stuff, comes this thrilling film starring Sam Rockwell and Rosemary DeWitt. After the Bowen family moves into a seemingly perfect suburban home, sinister spirits begin to haunt them. And when the terrifying apparitions abduct Maddie, their youngest daughter, the Bowens must find a way to rescue her or they'll lose her forever. With suspenseful storytelling and jaw-dropping visuals, this electrifying take on a spin-chilling classic will haunt you from its early nightmarish moments to its exhilarating climax. So that's just what it says on the back. Really good movie, like I said. The next one that I'm going to pull out is this one right here. Oh! Okay, so we do have another Horror Pack limited edition. And I'm noticing with every horror pack, you do get a horror pack limited edition movie. So this must be like an every month thing. But this one is called Plank Face. I have never heard of that before. As you can see, the cover is very kind of sexy in like a weird way. I'm probably going to get demonetized now because of this. On the back, it says, a man is captured by a family of feral, wood-dwelling cannibals who want to make him one of their tribe. Can they successfully break him, or will he find their wild ways enticing? So, really interesting. I'm definitely gonna have to watch this. Usually, like, movies like this that are kind of, like, strange, I'm kind of like, ugh, I don't know about that. But this one, just from the cover alone, I kind of want to watch it. Like, it just looks very interesting to me. Even the, like, Blu-ray itself is very interesting looking. I don't know, that's strange. So yeah, that's the next one that we got. Again, this one is called Plank Face. Right, and then the final movie that we have in the pack right here is, Fright Night 2, New Blood. This is perfect because I have never ever seen this. I did see the first Fright Night in theaters and thought it was really good, but I've never seen the second one. And I honestly don't even remember them ever making a second one, so that's kind of cool. Basically, Fright Night is kind of like a vampire type movie if you guys have never seen that before. They're not something I watch very often because I usually like to watch like really scary movies like about exorcisms and things like that. But Fright Night is a really good one. So on the back it says, by day, Jerry Dandridge is a sexy professor, but by night she transforms into a real-life vampire with an unquenchable thirst for human blood. So when a group of high school students travels abroad to study in Romania, they find themselves ensnared in Gary's chilling web of lust and terror. Charlie and Evil Ed must stop Jerry from drinking and bathing in the blood of a new moon virgin, who just so happens to be Charlie's ex-girlfriend Amy. They enlist help from Peter Vincent, a vampire hunting host of a reality show called Fright Night, to drive a stake through Jerry's plan and save Amy from a fate far worse than death. So again, here is what the title, oh my gosh, here's what the cover looks like, and it looks like this is the unrated version. That is everything that we got in the December Horror Pack box. Thank you guys so much for watching, and again, thank you so much to Horror Pack for reaching out to me and sending these movies to me every month. I absolutely love doing these unboxings, and you guys know that I of course love horror movies. So yeah, let me know down in the comments. Let me know if you guys have seen any of these movies, and if you have, which one was your favorite. And if you guys want to subscribe to Horror Pack yourself, I will put their link down in the description box, like always, and make sure to check out my previous Horror Pack unboxings as well. But for now, that is everything that I have. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to go down and subscribe to my channel. But as always, I will see you guys very soon in the next video. I love you guys.